Hello, Mr. Killingsworth. Thanks for contacting us here at Tameron Hyundai. My name is Tony. Interior. We also have inside here automatic with the backup touchscreen stereo system, Bluetooth, cruise control, and BlueLink available on this one here. This also has the power seat. Seats fold down, give you extra interior space and everything. Once again, this is a 2015 Marlin Blue Santa Fe with the cloth interior. Thank you for contacting us here at Tameron Hyundai. Hyundai, you come with the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. For doing business with us here at Tameron, we give you an extra 10 years, 200,000 miles total on the warranty. You can contact me here at 205-380-6250 or on my cell, 205-335-3988. Once again, your preferred salesman, Tony Penny, here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for contacting us.